Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 7, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Column C, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 7th grade. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 9. 5th row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come any other 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fifth row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 7. 7th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row, we have 7. Column H also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, 7th row and 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column I and column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Third row also we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Third row and 4th row, we have 5. Column F also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column F and column G, we have 5. 9th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 10th row and 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 10th row and 8th row, we have 4. Column E also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Third row and 4th row, we have 9. Column D also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F and column G, and fifth row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Fifth row and sixth row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Fifth grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8 and 9. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column D and third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row and column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. First grid, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Seventh grid, only 1 numbers are remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 8th row and column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Fourth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Second row, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 4. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.